driving through Provence today, heading up north, and just look at the colour on these beech trees. I just want to go and run through them.
Surprise.
All the vines are starting to change colour now, look. Going beautiful red colour. I imagine it's boiling here in the summer. Just waving to another motorhome.
I didn't give it my bonjour, mon ami.
No, you didn't. All the little houses just with the cypress trees growing by them. Look at this, it's just very typical of the region round here. Little town, there's chateau up on the top of the hill, which you can't. Things on roundabouts round here. We've got a winking apple and loads of sheep in woolly jumpers.
Village of Vercours. This should
turn left, then you have reached your destination.
Be a turning.
Is this it?
Should be just a little.
Is it down here by the park?
You have reached
By
your
park.
destination.
Yeah, here you go.
Debatable.
There you go. That's us. Hurrah!
They're the camping cars.
It says don't go in that way, but
Yeah.
okay. Do you know what? He's from
That's
England.
the way the cookie crumbles.
He makes his own
Where do you want
rules.
to be?
Just somewhere where I can go, oh my god, thank god, I've got a glass of wine in my hand. So I don't care anyway.
Okay. You know what?
So this is the downside of having a dog with you in the car. Alan's had to get out in his shorts with a brolly. Just go and give her a little walk. And it's teeming down.